Alright guys, call me crazy, but I am still feeling buys right now. You wouldn't know it looking at the 1 minute, but I'm just feeling it, man. Actually I already took one right here. Just profited the previous structure there, and yeah, stop loss got absolutely edged, but yeah, I'm still feeling buys as we speak, even with those rejections. Why is that? Well, mainly just a general rule that I follow is when the high time frame is range bound, I am only looking for continuations with respect to extremity theory. And I'm not actually sure if that's a well-known term in the trading industry, but all I mean by that is if our previous touch was at the bottom of the high time frame range, I must be looking for buys. Once we touch up at the top and the middle time frame is no longer actively pushing bullish, then I'm looking for sells. We'll see what happens. If I had to guess, we're probably gonna pull one of these, and then probably hit that. But I mean, why the fuck am I even making that sort of prediction? I'm not gonna be taking anything off of that movement, but it's just fun to create a narrative. We'll see what happens. So yeah, if I had not yet taken a trade, I actually would probably take a buy right here. Yeah, right there. Just off of a beautiful tick shift and tick volume shift. There's a tick T3 in there. Looks really nice, and yeah, as I said, I just think buys are the most natural entry right now. We're also just near lows, so you know, we're really only trading this low time frame range, but when you stack all of the higher time frame information, when all the information synergizes, I think buys are really high probability here. Obviously, as I said, I'm not gonna risk a profitable day. It just doesn't make sense when you're trading a funded account. But yeah, that would have been a nice entry, and I'll show you what that looked like on the tick chart here. Actually, it's actually beautiful. Alright, so here is what that looked like on the tick chart. As I said, I did not take this entry, I just wanted to. That's the candle that I would have entered on. Now why is that? Well, we have this large tick T3 with volume, and then the pullback is a lot weaker than that breaking move up. You can see that on the 1 minute as well, of course. And then yeah, we're in here. I'm just waiting to see something that I guess just gives me added confirmation, which in this case ended up being a really nice tick T3 within this tick T3, and then yeah, we could refine even more, wait for a pullback within that tick T3, and I was just waiting for some sort of break in here. This candle broke above that high, and yeah, it just looked good, so that's why I wanted to enter there. But yeah, as I said, just not worth it on a funded account, which is annoying because I mean, that's what's gay about funded accounts, is you need to trade a results-based manner when you really shouldn't be, obviously, but it is what it is. Yeah, honestly, I'm done for the night, so I'll just probably upload this and that's that.